10 Facts about the Star Wars films. 10. Benicio del Toro was supposed to play Darth Maul in The Phantom Menace, but he was reportedly dissatisfied with some of the screenplay changes, where many of the lines that del Toro was going to deliver were removed. 9. During the carbon freezing process, at the end of The Empire Strikes Back, Harrison Ford asked for Han Solo to die, but George Lucas turned him down. 8. Steven Spielberg was George Lucas's first choice to direct The Return of the Jedi, but the Directors Guild of America were upset that Lucasfilms didn't use opening credits, so they refused any of its members to direct Jedi, which included Spielberg. The film was then directed by Richard Marquand, who was not part of the DGA. 7. Before The Empire Strikes Back began filming, Mark Hamill was involved in a serious car accident, which left him with severe facial injuries. To account for the scarring on Luke Skywalker's face, a scene was added where Skywalker was attacked by a wampa. 6. For the prequels, George Lucas considered making Darth Vader and Boba Fett brothers. 5. George Lucas declined his $500,000 Star Wars director fee, in exchange for $150,000, and 100% ownership of all merchandise, and future sequels. 4. Up until filming began, Luke Skywalker's name was Luke Starkiller. 3. Despite calling Star Wars fairy tale rubbish, Alec Guinness's agent negotiated 2.25% of the film's profits, netting his estate over $95 million. Harrison Ford was paid $10,000 for his role as Han Solo in Star Wars. 2. Carrie Fisher said that her favorite scenes from the Star Wars trilogy were the arguments between her and Harrison Ford. 1. George Lucas made a bet with Steven Spielberg for 2.5% profits of each other's films, that Close Encounters would be bigger than Star Wars. By the end of 1978, Star Wars outgrossed Close Encounters, $500 million to $304 million, earning Spielberg $12.5 million, and many more millions since. Like and subscribe.